Train transport is usually friendly to the environment as compared to air transport and is relatively comfortable. However, one might shiver at the pace of most lines in North America, which seems slower than a glacier. Yes, it is picturesque and cheaper compared to flying from Chicago, but honestly, can you sit and watch the world go by for hours? Following are the packing requirements you need to follow in order to make the way you view train travel go from standard to first class. Here's what you should take in your carry-on bag for a rather pleasant train ride, from one station to another. The Cutter & Buck Men's Moisture Wicking Dry-Tech Pullover is loose-fitting and warm, but it does not make you slick and stinky thanks to the Dry-Tech material in traveling by rail. The cut-off mid-horizon and forward shoulder seams makes this option ready-made for an ensemble look, while the knitted fabric content means no expensive hotel dry cleaning. This Zero Grid Infinity Scarf is another piece of clothing that must always be included in the train travel kit, because it has pockets. However, beyond its use as a scarf, the product also doubles up as a compact travel blanket or shawl that rests over the shoulders, and thanks to the two small pockets available on the rear side of the fabric, it also has two pockets that can hold a Kindle, passport, or iPad, among other items that may be needed by the user while seated. Train mode is generally noisier than the flight mode due to train whistle, as well as the train track loudness. The Loop Quiet earplugs come with the comfort in mind, and these do not make me feel uncomfortable or pressured when sleeping on my side. It comes in hypoallergenic silicone and is designed to be positioned in the ear cavity, where it aids in eliminating almost all sound sources, allowing one to relax. Usually there is more leg space on the trains as on economy flights, be it Amtrak or Via Rail. You can also afford more margin for an object like Basic Concepts airplane footrest because, most likely, you will have more space to move in. The Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones has the best comfort, fancy designs, and have active noise cancellation to boot, making it a good companion for anyone who wants great sound quality and music on the go. These headphones borrow features from previous Bose headphones, though the new features include spatial audio, listening mode, and better call quality. The Apple iPad 9th generation, like most tablets, can be easily carried along and is generally useful during train journeys. Being thin and lightweight, it is portable, and with a large screen it offers extended options for watching movies or reading ebooks or working, charging the battery to give you about 10 hours of sufficient usage. They are specifically ginger chews, and they help to minimize cases of being sick, often especially when one is a frequent traveler. They are a chewy bite made with 10% fresh ginger and a little bit more, which include vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. Who said that a healthy snack cannot also be packed with protein? These overnight oats are as good as it gets for a healthful breakfast tomorrow. Available in the following taste of peanut butter blossom, cinnamon oat crunch, and berry pancakes. You have your 20-gram protein snack, simply adding milk. Native is a gender-neutral deodorant and antiperspirant manufactured from natural ingredients, and featuring sensitive and manly fragrances like cucumber mint, lavender rose, and many more, and the unscented one. Hero Neck Wallet. Smart, stylish, and secure traveler with RFID protection that shields your identity on the go. This discreet design with compartments will give the travelers a good feeling, and they will not be worried about anything, as this item can easily be hidden under the clothes. These are only basics for turning the trip through that avenue into a delightful experience aboard a train. Did you attempt any of the devices above? Got any other favorites? I would love to hear from you. Drop your comment in the comment section below. Oh, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more other videos with traveling tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.